Namaste, my friends, and welcome. I want to give you a reminder that accepting where you are and what's showing up is exactly what you need in your present moment, in your journey. Because if it's showing up, it's there for a reason. Uh-oh, my alarm just went off. See? I could see it as it's ruining my video. Or maybe I accept the imperfectionism. In fact, my next alarm is about to go off too. So, accepting what shows up or what doesn't, because there are no mistakes. The universe is not making any mistakes. You're getting exactly a reflection of who you are, everything inside of you, all the suppressed pain. It's in your energetic magnetic bubble. And the law of attraction is bringing it to you. Anything that's on a train track running on an engine, on chugga chugga choo choo, a train with a thought or subconscious belief, if it's running, it's going to be seen in your physical reality. So do not invalidate what shows up, because it's important to trust timing, not time. Because if you're sitting around and waiting for your life to get better or for things to get easier, right? You become better by looking within, by looking at the areas and adding awareness, your conscious awareness to the areas in your life that you want to better yourself in, right? And once you do that, it's a choice. It's no longer like a habit that happens, because it's a choice moving forward. Once you add your awareness, it's like saying sorry and then doing the thing over and over again. You're not really sorry. A part of you still believes that you benefit from doing this thing, yet you're telling that person sorry and thinking you can keep getting away with it. What happens when you keep doing that to yourself? Oh, I'm sorry, wounded inner child, that I keep suppressing you. I'm sorry, emotions I keep suppressing, I don't feel. What do you think that stores? In the body. So again, sometimes there are things that are showing up in your life because they're relevant to your experience. It's a reflection of what do you need to look at to release and validate it, because there are no mistakes. It's showing up for a reason. Because if you keep invalidating it and you keep saying, I don't prefer this, and you get more negative and upset, you're lowering your vibration, well, you're just storing, and law of attraction's activating and showing you more of what you're actually believing into and buying into, because you're paying attention to it. Like you're literally at the universe store and you're like, here you go, universe, let me pay you some of my universe money, and then you just buy into the reality that you keep looking at. And you get where I'm going with this? Well, let me fix my alarm real quick. The other one doesn't go off. I woke up like an hour earlier today. So don't invalidate your physical reality, and trust the timing of things, because the only way you can speed anything up is by not waiting any longer, not waiting for a knight in shining armor to come save you till you finally decide to look within and make a shift. Because healing is instant if you allow it. If you add like I said, you add your conscious awareness to something, and guess what? It's done. That's it. After that, it's a choice. It's a choice you continue to choose to feel that pain or keep doing that habit because you believe it benefits you. It's a belief. So join me, Ventzi, your divine feminine empowerment and spiritual awakening coach. Let's get it. By the way, divine feminine empowerment is an energy of intuition, creativity. In fact, it's so potent, it can bring physical life onto this planet, right? So imagine what that it can do, divine feminine energy can do with your imagination, how it can birth it into physical existence. I'm not talking about like genders here. Okay, I don't know how people get this stuff confused. Like, I'm not here teaching women how to be women. Just saying. I mean, I can tell you what men want because I happen to be one. That I can do. Anyway, whole different subject. Point is, it's showing up in your reality because it's also a contrasting event, which is showing you what do you prefer more of in your life and what is, again, something that you may want to look at. It's a reflection. Okay? The more you do this stuff, the better you look at the reflections, the better you get at playing this game of life and enjoying it and being present, because the only moment that ever matters is right now. Like, right now is the most important moment. And what do you think happens if you invalidate the moment? If you don't experience it fully, including the contrasting event that you may not prefer, it's going to keep showing up over and over and over and over and over and over. A karmatic cycle, maybe. Karmatic people that'll show up, teach you and show you a lesson. It's not even teach you a lesson, like you choose the lesson. Like, you're always getting exactly what you need on your journey. So validate it, be present with it. And the more you can find the benefit, I was about to say enjoy. Yes, enjoy it, because if you can lead with a place of unconditional positive attitude, unconditional love, unconditional happiness without the condition needing to change, you can see the benefit of whatever's showing up. You're going to free yourself of suffering from your mind, and you're going to know that this is going to benefit you. So it's a win. You're going to evolve and grow, and you're going to gain something from it. Whether if that's healing, a new modality of how to live your life, better ways to communicate, set boundaries. Very much so. Enjoy this present moment, because you only ever get now. Where'd your last 5 years go? Oh, did you just blink and now you're here? Well, it's also now. like back then it was now. Now it's now. And an hour from now, it'll also be now. So enjoy this now moment. All right, much love.